Good morning, students. Today in this class, I will discuss about the stratified charge engine. In this class, I am going to tell you how this engine works with a simple rough diagram that I have drawn on the board. Okay. So, stratified means what? It is a IC. It is a IC engine. It is a different type of IC engines. Usually, this stratified refers for gasoline engine. Gasoline engine. That is nothing but petrol engine. So here stratified. Now you come to the familiar ones. The stratified engines are nothing but it's are the petrol engines. Next is the charge. This charge refers to fluid and vapors entering into the combustion chamber. Got it? So in this class, I will tell you what are the parts of the stratified engines. This you take this figure. In this you can see this is the cylinder. Okay. This one is the piston. This one is the inlet valve. This is the exhaust valve. Exhaust valve. And here one is what? This is a spark plug. Spark plug. Right? And another part is the here one injector is fixed. It is the injector. This is the injector. Alright. So in this engine, these valves are operated by your camshafts. So these cams are provided above your cylinder. That we will call as an overhead camshaft. Overhead camshaft. Alright. So these types of stratified charge engines we can see in the Volkswagen vehicle. Volkswagen vehicle is nothing, is a Germany manufactured vehicle. So in this stratified charge, we are using the Volkswagen. Got it? So this figure says the different parts that we are using the stratified engines. Right? Next we will go for the working. How it works. So during intake stroke, what will happen? The air will comes and enters in the combustion chamber through inlet valve. The inlet valve will open in the strokes. The piston moves from top at center to bottom side of the center. Here the air comes like this. It will fill here. This is the air section. Right? The air. Here the inlet valve is open. Spark plug is not firing. Exhaust valve is closed. Here the injector is open. Injector not sprayed. Right? So in the third figure, the compression starts. The piston moves from bottom dead center to top dead center. As a result, you can see here the injector. It starts to spray. It starts to spray. The whole mixture here is get compressed with spray particle. Right? Again the piston. In the fourth figure, you can see again the piston moves still forward to the top dead center. The piston comes here, top dead center. Right? The inlet valve is just about to close. The injector stop. Injector is already injected the fuel in the combustion chamber. When it comes here, the top of the piston comes top in the cylinder. At the time the spark plug gives spark, and the mixture will be ignited. The mixture will be ignited. Here also both valves are closed. Here also both valves are closed. When it is ignited, the combustion takes place. The whole thing is burned in this one. Expansion and the combustion stop. Again the piston comes from PDC to VDC. The process continues till this exhaust valve opens. When the exhaust valve opens, the burnt gas comes out. Burnt gas out. That means what I mean to say, this type of stratified charge engines using the three methods. One is the air guide system, next is the wall guide system, and third one is the spray guide system.